Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you does YouTube TV have movies. So we are going to open YouTube TV and we are going to see that. So open YouTube TV. So open YouTube TV. So here you can see that watch live TV from 100 plus channels. So we are going to see all the channels that are available. So in the base plan you can see these channels, and here you can see different channels that offer movies, and you can see different add-on network as well that offer different movies to watch. So sports plus add-on, so here you can see it is a complete list. So if you want any add-on network you can select and you can choose that in your plan. So the question is, does YouTube TV have movies? So definitely and 100% it is confirmed that it have movies. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.